Ready? Let's go. ByteCrafter presents. Ever seen this weird code and wondered what it means? Every C program follows the same structure. Let's break it down. Keycap 1 hashtag includes stdio.h. Tells the compiler to include the standard input-output library, so we can use functions like printf. Int main. This is where your program starts running. Every C program must have a main function. Printf, hello, world. Prints text on the screen. Printf means print formatted. And yes, this is the classic first program every coder writes. Text hello, world appears on a terminal. That's the basic structure of every C program. Simple, powerful, and the starting point of your coding journey. Follow ByteCrafter for more C programming shorts. Decode. Create. Craft.